Hey! In front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. You need to begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Then tap on System and Updates. Now you need to select Language and Input, Microsoft Keyboard, and finish up. After that, log in into one of your accounts or choose Not Now. Then click on No or Yes over here and tap on OK. Finally, select Themes. From here, you can tap on one of those and go back. When I go back over here to check my keyboard, as you can see, theme of it has changed. But you can always go into the same settings, but this time select Custom at the top right corner. Then choose Start. Now you need to tap on Add Image and pick the photo that you wish to apply after choosing Allow. I will go with maybe this one. Then pinch the skull and drag it to move. After that, adjust background darkness by swiping left or right and click on Done at the top right corner. Then you can manage key borders and symbols by choosing those switchers. And finally, click on Save. When I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!